Yes, sir. Late night video. This is 10. Not one, not two, not three, not four, not five. 10 things you may need. Matter of fact, 10 essentials you need to start a YouTube channel. Let's go. I don't know why. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, notification bell, all that shit. You like the video, your algorithm go up, my nigga. You even know that. By the way, Bonnet Cars in the building. Don't get it fucked up though. Gucci like I'm thugging, nigga. Well, anyways, here we go. First thing you're definitely gonna need a camera, my nigga. Now, it doesn't matter. Like, you don't gotta buy a camera. If you have the money though, make sure you pick up a camera and you get a smart starter up camera. I would suggest the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. This is not a sponsored video. I don't have any sponsors. Bonnet car. But anyways, my shit tilted. I like big worm. Anyways, the first thing you're gonna need is a camera. Now, if you don't have the money, you could always use an iPhone camera or just, you know what I'm saying, use your phone camera, blah, 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 whatever the case may be. But if you have the cash to spare or whatever the case may be, get a Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II or Mark III. Now, the Mark II is great. It's small, it's compact, it does everything the bigger shit would do. But the Mark III thing though, you could use it as a webcam. Maybe you do want to do reaction videos or that shit. You get that, you set, my brother. Now I'm lying. You got 9 other shits to get, possibly. As we go down the list, it's gonna get, you know what I'm saying, a little and little how much you need it. Boom. Next thing you're gonna need a computer. You see the Supreme stick? I'm flexing on y'all niggas. But anyways, you're gonna need a computer. This is basically for you to edit your videos. You know what I'm saying? Manage your YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Network. You could, you know what I'm saying, post your YouTube everywhere. You know what I'm saying? This is your computer's home base. Now you could edit on your phone, but you won't get the same exact quality, my brother. You won't. You won't get the same quality. So guess what you gotta do? Pick you up a laptop. You get a laptop and the camera. You don't even gotta watch the rest of this video, my nigga. You find out the rest for yourself. But I'm just suggesting these are shit you should get. Maybe I'm promoting bad business. Anyways, camera and computer, 100% needed. Get you a computer. It don't gotta be super expensive. You get a MacBook, it comes with iMovie. iMovie is very, what's up with my lighting? Anyways, iMovie, very simple to use, my nigga. You can edit all your videos, simple, gangsta. It don't take no time to edit on iMovie. But let's say you got a Windows computer, you can get Adobe Premiere Pro or, you know what I'm saying, Final Cut Pro. Look up or look into the shit you need. You know what I'm saying? Look into your editing software. Which brings me to the next thing. You're gonna need editing software. Now, if you have a computer, a phone, whatever you edit on your phone is editing software. Whatever you edit on your computer with is editing software. Make sure you got editing software. You want your videos to be clean. You cannot just be in your phone cropping shit out, blah, blah, blah. Get some real editing software. If you don't got your computer, find some shit to do on your phone, a better app or something. Cut your video, you know what I'm saying? Edit your video, unless you want that raw material. Pause. Anyways, but editing software is a must. Now, right now I'm rocking with Adobe Premiere Pro. I might put like a little picture or whatever somewhere. Anywhere, I'm gonna put a little picture. Adobe Premiere Pro. Great. It's difficult at first. It might take you like maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe up to a month to learn how to use it. But once you start using it, you'll get the ball rolling. That's it, my nigga. You shouldn't even complain, bro. You should not complain. But time out. Let's take a little pause in the video. I got on camera with a bonnet, my nigga. Yes, I'm backing out the pink brim again. What you trying to say? I'm a bum? I'm a bum, nigga? What is you talking about? I wasn't gonna rock no bonnet the whole video, nigga. Fuck out of here. But anyways, back to what you need. You need editing software. Once you get that, you valid, my nigga. Moving on to the next thing. Now let's say you're a gamer. You nice at games. You want to do your little streaming service and all that shit. Get you a little microphone. You can get a podcast microphone, a Blue Yeti. I don't know the other microphones really, but you could get a cheap microphone. Well, not cheap essentially. Like, don't use no headphones off a mic off your headphones and shit. Excuse me. Don't use Don't use this. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Your video is gonna come out bad. You got good editing and all that, and then your audio's trash from your microphone. Get you a standard microphone. Now I got this shit right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. But I got this right here. This is $61 on Amazon. This is priceless. It came with this, the boom, everything, and it's shotproof. I hit the desk, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, make sure you pick up a mic. But this is not something you need to get right off the bat. But if you're really serious into making YouTube videos, let me turn back my camera. Oh shit. Anyways, but if you're really serious about your videos, bro, 100%. You want to do game voiceovers, all that? Make sure you pick up a mic, my brother. It all differs on what type of style of YouTube. You want to do vlogs, make sure you get the computer and the camera. If you want to do gaming, make sure you get that computer, maybe a microphone, you know what I'm saying, maybe extra mic. You never know, you know what I'm saying? This is for all fields. You know, it doesn't matter who you are, what you think. These are things that I would suggest you use. You don't have to buy all of this at one time. You go piece by piece, you know what I'm saying, little by little, because it's a process. You're not going to just jump up one day and have this and that. Take your time, make sure you know what you're buying, be comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you're good with your purchases. Pay attention. Moving on to the next thing you'll need. What am I on number? What number am I on? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm on like 4, right? 1, 3, 4. Okay. Next thing you're definitely gonna need. Get you a little whiteboard or a plan. Ooh, can't see that. Cause you know what I'm saying, it's a little vid idea. Make sure you get you a little whiteboard, you know what I'm saying? Get something you could plan your shit out on. Keep track of it. Once you write shit down, it starts coming to you. It starts manifesting to you. You know what I'm saying? Write it down over and over again if you have to. Erase it, write it down over and over again. Keep reminding yourself, yo. Also, you can put the shit in. Keep knocking shit over. I'm being tight. I'm not even gonna cap. Anyways, babe, make sure 100% you do that. Get you a whiteboard, a notepad, or you could just use it. Ooh, hold on. Man, fuck it. Anyways, back to what I'm saying. You could use your notes in your phone, or you could use a, you know what I'm saying? It's better if you get a whiteboard, because, I mean, it depends. It's actually better if you use your notes, because you're on your phone probably 100% of the time. 100% of the time you're on your phone. So, go put your shit in your notes. 100% you need something to put your ideas in. Capture them shits. Next thing you're definitely gonna need, my nigga, dedication, bro. You need dedication. Now, I'm not one to talk because, you know what I'm saying, I haven't been uploading properly, consistently, over and over and over again. But I'm gonna get to that. It's all a process. Let me get used to this YouTube camera shit. Blah, blah, blah. Anyways, you're gonna need dedication. That's an essential for YouTube. You're gonna need dedication. The next thing you're gonna need, creativity, my nigga. Please, please, I repeat, do not do this shit. You do not have to be one of them YouTubers. You see, oh, this is popping right now, so I'm definitely gonna do that. I mean, maybe it's good, but you want to be original, my nigga. You want to be creative. Start your own wave. Do your own thing, my nigga. Something you could call your own. Be creative. Don't go around stealing people's shit or just copying the wave. Then the wave died down. You still doing, my nigga. That shit dead. It's dead, my nigga. Be creative. You need creativity and dedication. Going on to the next thing, you're gonna need discipline. Oh my God, you're gonna need discipline. Now, it's like you gotta teach yourself it, because they're gonna, your family or whoever, blah blah blah, gonna support you. But you need to work within yourself. I just kicked my table. But anyways, you're gonna have to work within yourself, my nigga. Be disciplined, bro. Once you discipline yourself and, yo, I gotta do this. This is a like occupation. You don't want to look at it as a job, but it's a job, my nigga. Even though you're not probably, you maybe not, you know what I'm saying, getting paid yet, but soon you will. If you keep working hard, my nigga, you're gonna need discipline. If you're disciplined enough, you can make it anywhere you want in life. That's the truth, bro. For real. Like not even on no funny shit, my nigga. You're gonna need discipline. Discipline, creativity, dedication. Them 3 things will carry everything else. You have all 3 of them shits, you good, my nigga. Make your videos, do your thing, bro. You shouldn't be here wasting your talent, my nigga. You wanna be a YouTuber, be a YouTuber, bro. Don't let nobody stop you, bro. Do whatever the fuck you want, my nigga. You wanna be a goddamn skydiving artist, my nigga, whatever, do it. I don't even know what a skydiving artist is, but you can make that shit. See? Creativity, my nigga. Yo, bro, I'm too nice with this shit, bro. I'm too nice, bro. But next thing, the rest of that. This ties into the camera, but I'm gonna add it as the next thing because I just want to make this list 10 shits. You're gonna need one of these. I don't know if you can see it or not. You might be asking, what the fuck is this? What is this shit? This is an SD card reader. Now, SD card is in your camera. It captures all the videos, blah, blah, blah. Once you want to change your videos off to your computer, blah, 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 you get, you know what I'm saying? If your computer has an SD card reader, great for you. Ooh, my nigga, you got money. Ooh, fuck out of here. But if you got a small compact computer or a computer that doesn't read SD cards, make sure you pick this up. This is essential. You buy the camera and you have an SD card and you have nothing to read the SD card with, it's gonna be a lot, you know what I'm saying, harder and slower to do. This is way, 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 way better, my nigga. Get this shit. Put your SD card in, plug your wire in, plug it in your computer, download the videos off the SD card reader. Easy, my nigga. SD card reader. Remember I said, I'm gonna keep repeating, SD card reader. And make sure you're picking up the right size SD card. Excuse me. I don't know what I'm playing at. I keep doing this shit. I don't even talk like this normally. I don't know. I keep doing the hint. My nigga. Anyways. Y'all might get a double upload today. Cause I did 10 essentials for YouTube. But what about 10 essentials for me? I think I should do that. So maybe right after this video, you'll see me in the same shirt, same hat. Maybe back in the Bonnie. You know what I'm saying? 10 essentials that I like, that I need, my nigga. That video is coming right after this one. Then another video after that. I'm gonna drop like 3 times. Y'all need to, you know what I'm saying, like the video, bro. Show progress. Should break, you know what I'm saying? Break barriers. Like the video. It's not a lot of y'all, but it's a lot of y'all. Cause y'all took the time out y'all day, my nigga, to view the video. Maybe some of y'all left a like, maybe even a comment. Be 100% like the video. If it's 80 of y'all viewing the video and I only see 7 likes. My nigga, come on. We gotta work together, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, bro. What's so hard? Click that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Y'all supporting all these, you know what I'm saying, big ass YouTubers that don't know y'all, but nigga, come on. Like the video. Just do that. Sheesh. That was cringe. I'm gonna talk to y'all later, my nigga. Peace. I should have did this. Later.